Hi everybody, welcome to Fundamentals of Project Management. I'm Beth Willett, your professor, and I wanted to just do a quick walkthrough of what you could expect on our platform. So we use Canvas as our classroom platform, and when you come on to our course, you're going to be on the home screen, which takes you right here. So you see some conversation about careers in project management, the assignment schedule, what to do first, syllabus information, announcements, modules, how to reach me. On the right side, you see there's already a to-do list that is started. So that will be helpful to you. I suggest you pop into the syllabus section. You're going to have both a document here, this PDF. I highly recommend you download and print it. So there's some key things in there that you want to make sure you keep on top of, as well as our course summary. So the course summary gives you all of the deliverables that are expected throughout the entire course, so you know what to expect and how to plan your time. You also have a section called announcements, and there'll be periodic announcements, likely every week, to just let you know what's going on. So the first announcement here is just a quick welcome, and that's all there is to this one. But if you click on it, you'll see the full details. So sometimes it's much more, several paragraphs, but in this case it's just a simple announcement of welcome. The module section is the next one that you'll want to definitely be touching bases with. So in this section, you see we've got little folders, and they can close and open. You have that authority to do that yourself. And there's two things you want to pay attention to at the beginning. That's that Read Me First section here, and then your introduction lecture slides, as well as just a quick post to say, hey professor, I'm good, I'm on the platform, everything's working well. So that's in the very first deliverable. And then as you can scroll down, you'll see each of the other modules. Now what's kind of cool about this, if I click on one of the items here in our module for our first week, it takes you to a description of everything that needs to be done. What do you need to do? What are the steps? Reminder of when things are due. Down here you've got a previous or next. If you forgot to post, hey, that I can get on the site and everything's good, you can jump back here and add your post. You can click forward and continue to the next screen. So you can go to the presentation, you can continue to click forward from the presentation after you watch that. You can go forward into the PDF with the details and information about this particular module. And then you can go forward and go ahead and take the quiz. Now once you click take the quiz, it puts you right into the quiz. You'll notice it's only 5 questions for this one. They're true, false, and multiple choice, and you do have a half hour to complete it. So it's a great way just to step through each of the things that we need to do. So the syllabus, critical. The announcements, very important to keep in touch with and make sure you know what's going on. And then the modules. The modules is the area that you'll probably spend most of your time with. Now I've opened up the entire course for the semester. So other than hard dates that we are not allowed to, like midterm and final exams, they're open. Now did you notice that there's gray areas here? That always means there's a prerequisite that was not completed. So check your prerequisite note and realize that, oops, I forgot to do something. So sometimes I get notes that something's wrong on the platform, and it turns out that the prerequisite work was not completed. So this will be important for you to keep your eyes on as well. And then last but not least, there's a section for grades. And this is all about you tracking yourself. So this is right now arranged by due date. You see the name of the assignment, what's the date, the status, the score, and then the total possible points. And so we have a chance here to really monitor and check in on our own work and see how we're doing. And so I highly recommend you to consider that. So thank you guys for watching the video. I look forward to working with you and having a great semester.